Wow, guys. Look at this. Wow. Oh, wow, dude. We got so much snow. Oh, wow. Look at all this. Dude, I love snow so much. Let's see, that's a good 2 or 3 feet of snow. Yeah, guys, we're having good 2 or 3 feet of snow. This is so cool. I'm gonna walk out in the grass. Look at all this. Alright, here's our steps for size reference. It's still snowing, but here's our steps for size reference. Look at all this. Look at all that snow. Oh. Oh, I regret doing that. Oh, I regret doing that. Oh, that's so cool. I regret doing that. Man, this is so cool. Look at all this snow. And as you see, it's still snowing. This is so cool. This is so cool. Wow. Dude, imagine I just hear a freaking demon girl scream. Imagine that. Oh my god. This is so much snow. Man, I can't wait to see how it looks in the morning. This is a bit eerie, don't you guys think? Hey guys, this is kind of eerie. Just kind of seeing my town like this. And I'm like stretching. Okay, yeah, this is too eerie. I don't like this. Dude, if I'm gonna start running now. Alright, well, I'm gonna go in. It's starting to get too cold. We're starting to get extremely cold. Wow. So much snow. Wow. Peace.